The story goes in Daniel chapter 2. There were these three guys, Shadrach, Meshach, and Abednego. The Bible says these men made up their mind and made a decision. They will not bow down to any god. Nebuchadnezzar the king had placed the gods. He said, anyone who does not worship, the Bible says, but these men made up their minds, we will serve no God.
Yes, Lord.
And the Bible says Nebuchadnezzar was so furious. He said, bring this man, bring this man. They brought this man, they brought them closer. He said to them, you do not bow to my gods. They said, oh King Nebuchadnezzar, there's no way we will bow down to your gods. They made up their minds, there's no way we will bow our knees and worship the gods that are made of hands. We serve one true God.
Yes, Lord. Yes.
This one true God